How to open Yoshion app for the first time. Alright, so you have downloaded the Yoshion app and you are ready to dive into. So let's get started. It's super quick. So first things first, look at the Yoshion app on your phone. You can see it on my home screen right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Once you're inside it, you will see a user statement. So it's about Yoshion, how Yoshion want to thank you for using their app and how they promise that they will not infringe your privacy and everything, and how your information will be protected by this app. You can read all of them, and here you can see privacy policy too. So if you have any doubt on this app using your information or the private information for their use, you can just read it out and just tap on this right over here. So I don't have any problem with this, so I'm going to tap on this right over here. Once you are loaded, you will be seeing this type of interface. This is the main home page. So basically you don't have to create an account in this app right over here. From here you can choose to make a collage, make a poster, you can just do a freestyle and edit your photos from right over here. So that's how you can open the Yoshion app for the first time. Easy peasy, right? Now you're all set to explore everything Yoshion have to offer to you. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.